wicked twin sister. In the village of Amori, twin sisters Mimi and Kosi were as alike as cola nuts, but their hearts beat differently. Kosi was humble and loved by people. Mimi was always bitter and angry. Before their father died, he brought out a bag of money and called both of them. He told them how he inherited the sacred bag of money from his parents. He gave them a warning and said, "This wealth multiplies only in the hands of the pure."
So guys, in this video I want to show you how to create awesome videos without showing your face. Let's say you want to talk about your business, maybe your product or your service, or you have an important message you want to be sharing online, or maybe you want to be telling a story, right? You love telling stories but you don't want to put your face out there. Now it is called faceless video content. So I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, and you will come out with a massive result. So you don't need to be afraid of anything. Just follow me as I guide you. Let's go there. So guys, this is how I created this video using Meta AI and ChatGPT. So first thing to do is to go to ChatGPT and generate your prompt. So let me show you the prompt I asked ChatGPT to generate for me. So I told ChatGPT to generate a story not more than 200 words. A story not more than 200 words with the topic, the wicked twin sister. So the setting should be Nigeria, the bracket Igbo. Let it be so engaging and interesting. So ChatGPT was able to generate it for me. So ChatGPT generated this story for me, right? Not more than 200 words. Then I copied it. So I copied it, and so I now went to Meta AI to generate the characters. So let me show you how I was able to do that on Meta AI. So when you open your browser, you type www.metaai.com. So it will bring you to something like this. But if your own is not showing like this, then you have to sign in, or you have to sign up with them using your email address. Then after that, you sign in. So when you sign in, you come here at this place. They said ask Meta AI. So I will tell Meta AI to generate the image of a young girl at the age early 20s. Then I will describe my prompt for me. If you don't know how to do that, you can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt for your story, a prompt to generate your character. Tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt that you can use to generate your characters. So you can come here and paste the prompt. So I was able to generate the characters involved, the twins. Then after that I generated their father, because the story is about twins and their father with a bag of money. So then the villagers and every other thing. So I generated every other thing. Then let me show you the pictures, how I generated it. So this is how I generated that of their father. This is what I prompted: generate an African man, in the bracket Igbo, in his early 60s, sitting in a mud house. So Meta AI gave me these pictures. Then I now scroll. I entered the prompt again. I said let him have a bag of money beside him. So it generated this one. Then I prompted again, let his twin daughters be beside him. So it generated this one for me. Then I saved them. So after doing all these things, I now generated the twin. Then I generated each of them. Let me show you the prompt I used. So this is the prompt I used for the twin. So I generated this one. This is the prompt: generate an image of a woman in her early 20s in an African Igbo setting. Then Meta AI generated this picture for me. Then I now asked Meta AI to generate, let her be sitting in a mud house. Generated this, I saved it. So this image was for the first daughter, for the first twin that was happy and always smiling with people. Then this one is for the second one. See the prompt I used: let her be in the mud house looking angry and envious. So it's like one is always happy and smiling, one is always angry and envious. So I generated it. I just prompted it here. So I just prompted it here, and it was generated. So in that story, one of the twin killed the sister. So I asked Meta AI to generate, see what I used there. Let her eyes be closed as a dead person. Generated this. Then I now said, make it look more realistic as a dead person. Generated this one. So after that, I now asked Meta AI to generate the second twin where she was poisoning the food with a leaf, according to my story. Then it generated it. So I now ask again to generate where she was carrying money. Then after killing her sister, she wants to run away with the money. Then Meta AI was able to generate this one. Then I asked Meta AI to turn the money to stones. Then this one was generated too. And I pick the ones I want from there. So I now asked Meta AI to generate where she was crying, and this one was generated. So I now asked Meta AI again to generate where she was sitting in the midst of villagers. So this one was generated. So after generating everything, I also generated their village, the picture of their village and everything. So another thing is to generate your voice. So you see that you record your voice separately and use it as an audio, or you use AI. So let me show you how to use AI. You just copy this text, copy this your story, just copy it from here down like this. So after copying it, open your browser, search for 11labs.com. This is it. So it will show like this. Just click on this one, 11labs.com. So it's going to open. So when it's opened, if you haven't subscribed to this before, just put your email and password to sign up. So when you sign up, then you log in. So when you log in, it's going to display like this. So you click on instant speech. Instant speech, this one we are going to use. So there are so many things you can do here. As you can see, you can do audiobook, you can do conversation with AI, you can do podcast, so many things. You can do sound effects, you can dub video. So just click on instant speech. Okay, so when you click on instant speech, so it will bring you to a place like this. So here you paste your write-up. Okay, so after pasting your story, this is the voice we are going to use, the voice of this person. So but if you want to change it, maybe if you want to test different voices to know the one that you like, just click on it. When you click on it, you will see so many voices here, right? Although some of them are not free.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
Hey, everybody. This is Juniper. I think I would be a great... She tore her gaze away from her ruined footwear, still very much grieving the loss.
So if you look here, you will see something like a tag, right? Or a tick, this yellow tick here. It means that these ones are not free, right? But if you scroll down, here, you see these ones did not have that yellow tick. See these ones now, they did not have the yellow tick. So these ones are free. So you can just select from these ones that are down here. Just select anyone. Let's say you select this one.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
Or you select this person.
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness.
A single rose can be my garden. Single friend, my world.
Okay, so you can just select one. Then once you select, you come back to this place now. So when you come here, you click on generate speech. So you can see, just click on generate speech.
The village of Amory. Twin sisters, a Daisy.
So our speech has been generated. So let's play.
And Obianuju were as alike as cola nuts. But hearts beat differently. The village of Amory. Twin sisters Adaize and Obanuju were as alike as cola nuts, but their hearts.
So this is how to generate voice. Okay, so after generating the voice, after playing the voice and check the so after playing the voice and check your script whether it's correct, you just click here to download it. Click on this button or this one depending on the voice you choose, right? So let me just click here, just click on download. It's going to download to your phone, so it's downloaded. So when you go to your music, you will see 11 labs. From there you can now use it. You just import it to CapCut and use it as your sound. So I now went to CapCut and arranged everything. So I arranged it sequence by sequence according to the story, and I exported the video. So it's as simple as that. I believe you've gotten value from this video, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn the notification bell so that when I drop videos like this you get notified. So don't forget to share it to your friends, to your contacts, to anybody around you so that they can benefit from this video. Thank you for watching.